So if you're watching this video, you are probably a member of Profit Singularity, or maybe you just want to make money with YouTube ads. You are just maybe a newbie, or maybe you already have some kind of experience and you want to know exactly how you can get these kind of results, like you can see here on my screen, promoting, let's say, affiliate offers on ClickBank or Maxweb or any other affiliate networks out there using YouTube ads. So please stay until the end of this video. Why? Because I'm going to show exactly tutorial, step by step, and I mean it seriously, step by step, exactly what is missing in most of these ClickBank millionaire gurus courses, right? Because maybe in this case you just bought Profit Singularity course, and like the rest of the people, you're struggling right now. Your Google ad account got shut down, your ads got rejected on YouTube, or your ad spend is too huge and you're not making decent profit, right? You're not making the desired, or let's say promised results, right? So I will not go about review about Profit Singularity in this video, because the link about what is happening and the warning, right? The warning about Profit Singularity is below this video. So you can find it in the link. You can find the link in the description below this video if you want to watch full YouTube video that I made a few weeks ago regarding what is happening with Profit Singularity. But in this video, I'm going to show exactly how to succeed with Maxweb or ClickBank promoting these offers using YouTube ads. So as you can see here, I had 3,700 euro a day promoting this one offer. So I was just testing one offer. I'm going to show you exactly what I did over here. So let's go from the beginning, right? So how to scale up and create profitable YouTube campaigns. Now, why would I choose YouTube? As you know, YouTube is a great source of traffic. It's the second biggest engine after Google. So Google and YouTube are related, right? So if you get your account shut down on Google, you will not be able to run YouTube ads. So you have to know exactly how to scale up correctly, how to create your YouTube ads correctly, and how to run them using Google. So let's go straight into it. So in this case, I was promoting VSL offers from Maxweb. Why Maxweb? Because Maxweb has really great also CPA offers that you can promote. And in this case, as you can see, I promoted the supplement offer. You see over here, you have 6 bottles, 3 bottles and 1 bottle for $69 per bottle and $49 per bottle if the person purchases 6 bottles, right? So I choose diet niche, I choose let's say health and wellness space for this offer, running YouTube ads. So I'm going to show exactly how I did it, right? How I promoted this offer, as you can see over here. So what I did is this, right? The first thing is I look on GEOS, right? Where exactly on earth can I promote these offers? Very important, right? Because you don't want to waste your ad spend, your ad budget on countries like Guatemala, South Africa, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, right? India, some places where those offers are not converting well, right? So what I did is I promoted to 5 main geos. So those are US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and UK. So those 5 countries, 5 continents, I used to promote this affiliate offer using Maxweb offers. As you can see over here, this is the really first step. The next step is setting up the pixels and place the S2S postbacks with Maxweb. Really important thing, right? If you have any knowledge about affiliate marketing, you should know that you need to set up the pixels. Why pixels? Because you need some kind of tracking, right? You need to track where the sales and conversions are happening. Where are you making money? On which placements are you losing money? Really important if you want to keep this online business alive, right? Pixels, very important, right? You have to track the sales. You have to know, this sale came from Canada, this sale came from United States, this sale came from Australia. So you have to track everything, what is happening, right? Tracking is really, really important. The second step, setting up the pixels. What is the third step? The third step is creating and launching the campaign on YouTube ads, right? So the first thing when you go into your Google ad account, right, you should choose your objective. So what is objective? I always choose sales, right? I'm not looking to generate leads or website traffic. I want to get sales online, right? With ClickBank or Maxweb in this case. So I want people to see my store, my landing page, and buy from my VSL embedded website, right? So first choose sales. And the second step, what I do is, as you can see over here, is you also need to choose a campaign type, right? So what is campaign type? Video. Why video? Because as you know, we are running YouTube ads. So We're not running Google search ads, PPC, we're running YouTube ads. So that's why you have to choose video. Very important thing, so that you're not wasting your time and money, right? So we select video, and then what we do is also set up the budget. So I would go with, for example, 50 euros or 100 euro per day ad budget, and I'll make sure that I then go and test my lender, right? Headlines and everything on my lender, and make sure that I did at least 15 minutes of research. Now again, you don't need special software, right? What you do need is 5 to 15 minutes of research to know exactly what is the offer or product about, and who is your audience, and what do they want, and offering to them by pre-selling them with your VSL embedded landing page. So after I did that, the next thing is how to scale when you find winning combinations horizontally and vertically. Very important, right? Two things, horizontally and vertically. So the first step that you should do is launch new campaigns using your best ads and lenders, but with different targeting settings. So that's how you scale. That's how you start as a beginner, as a newbie. Even myself, I always teach my students, do this first. If you want to scale, if you find that your ad campaign is doing well, for example, I would set up three ad campaigns or 4 ad campaigns. And if second ad campaign make me 2 sales in a day, okay, now I know this campaign is working, so I will increase my ad budget by 25%, right? For example, or 30% in a day. And then I will also change different targeting settings on each of those campaigns that were not doing well, right? Another thing is you can also start with vertical scaling, which means that you're trying to scale existing campaigns, right? Like I said before, by increasing the budget or just adjusting the targeting to expand your reach, right? Very important thing. Now, if you speak, for example, I don't know, Chinese, if you speak Spanish, very great thing. Why? Because you could go in the markets like Singapore. Singapore is a great market for the financial niche, right? Car insurance, financial niche, investing, crypto, very great market if you want to make good money online. Why? Because there is not much of, let's say, competition, right? Everyone is targeting US, Canada, Australia, but if you don't have much money and if you want to make some decent profit, you can go choose countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, right? All these countries are great if you want to start as a beginner to run your ads in, right? So very great thing. For example, if you speak Spanish, it's great benefit to you because you could even make ads in Spanish language, right? And people who speak English, they cannot create landing pages in Spanish, right? You could promote in Spain, Latin America, right? All of these many different countries where they speak Spanish, and you could make decent or really, really great money online promoting to these countries, these people in these audiences who speak Spanish, right? So great benefit. Now, what you can do next. So if you're still watching this video, if you want to know exactly how to put YouTube ads together or how to make money with affiliate marketing, right? Especially if you want to build your marketing budget. Everyone is always asking me, what should my budget be, right? If you want to have $10,000 per month, what I would suggest, like I do personally, is to promote high ticket offers. Why? Because this will enable you to basically make some serious decent money, which you can use to reinvest into promoting, I don't know, Maxweb offer like here, ClickBank offers, and then you can play around, right? You can spend $500 in a day and play and see which offer convert well. You can spend $300 in a day, right? And you will not be worried about the money because you know you're making money from this existing online business, right? Affiliate program here that's paying you, for example, $500 to $2,000 per day instant PayPal commissions. So you can take money from there. I call it ATM business, right? Because why? Because you can use the skill set of marketing from there. You can take the knowledge and cash from that ATM machine, right? And you can invest it into here, right? To run and scale supplement business online, promoting affiliate offers. So if you're still watching this video and if you want to have results, right? And if you want to have someone to guide you through step by step, then what I suggest is just connect with me after watching this video. You can do that by searching me on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. You can also reach me out by email. Again, every single every single link to my social media accounts are below this video, right? So you can find me on my Instagram. You can see over here, right? You can find me here. Just reach out to me, and I will personally make sure that I connect with you, talk with you, right? But make sure one thing, do not procrastinate, do not waste my time, and I will not waste your time either. If you have at least $500 to $3,000 on the side, and if you want to make some huge profits and get great results, $10,000 a month or more, then you are in the right place at the right time. Connect with me and do something for yourself, right? Do something for yourself before the new year so that you can start having better results tomorrow. Now, if you do nothing, nothing will change. So take action now. Reach out to me, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips, and see you in the next one.